Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to organize my wardrobe which is right behind me. बाहर से बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है, but I'm going to show you the reality. It is a clear mess and it has been so many weeks and months that I've been procrastinating. I have to organize this today किसी भी हालत में because मैं शूट करने बैठती हूँ या कहीं बाहर जा रही होती हूँ, which is a rare case, but for my shoots only mostly I'm not able to find my clothes. इतना ज़्यादा mess create हो गया because of my lazy attitude. I'm not been organizing this. So finally today I'm going to organize this, and इससे पहले I've done my makeup organization, so I will link that video in for you guys in case you want to watch that. You can. And yeah, now let me just quickly show you the halat of this wardrobe and let's organize this. So this is my wardrobe. I'm sure you have seen this in all my videos in my background. Let me just show you इसके अंदर है क्या the reality, but promise you won't judge me. And this is the mess that I have to organize today. So majorly I have to organize this section and this section because यहीं पे मेरे रोज़ के कपड़े हैं and I can find nothing in this mess. I'm not going to touch the top section and these drawers because these are like useless. इसमें कुछ भी काम का नहीं है, but ये definitely मुझे organize करना है because मुझे कुछ नहीं मिलता है यहाँ पे. You can see these new bags. I shopped recently and I did not keep them because I didn't feel like keeping new clothes in such a mess. So in fact, I'll show you what I have in these two Zara bags and then we will start organizing. So now you know the reality of this wardrobe, but I'm going to organize this today for sure. But let me just show you a mini haul of this Zara packet. First, I have this crop top, which is a basic black top, and this is for rupees 590, very affordable, and I love the fitting of this. ऐसे काफ़ी लूज सी स्लीव्स हैं and यहाँ पे नीचे प्लास्टिक इलास्टिक भी है. So I really like this, very basic and very casual. Next, I've got this tie-dye print की t-shirt. I had to get this because it is so cute and this is in the size large. मुझे इससे छोटा size नहीं मिला वहाँ पे, so I just picked it up कि कैसे भी manage करके knot वगैरह बांध के I will wear this because I had to get this. It is so cute. Doesn't matter मेरा size है कि नहीं है, but it's really cute. And yeah, of course it is for rupees 590 again, very affordable. And lastly, I got this cute little crop top which is in sort of turquoise color and this is for 790 rupees in the size medium. आजकल ऐसे fitted crop tops काफ़ी trend में है, so I got this and mainly I picked this up because of the color. I just love it. It's very unique. Also, I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe, so I love it. Okay, so this was cute little mini Zara haul. I hope you enjoyed watching it. It was all like basic stuff, कुछ special नहीं था, but I think सारा ही सामान Zara का काफ़ी amazing होता है. But anyways, I'm going to remove this beautiful makeup look and then start organizing the mess in this beautiful wardrobe. I'm really tensed. I don't know कैसे करने वाली हूँ मैं, बहुत मेहनत लगेगी but करना तो है. I just hope आज में complete हो जाए. Wish me luck guys and yeah, let's go. It's more than half an hour and abhi tak I'm just done with these three piles, this one and that one, and उसके अलावा ये सब कुछ ऐसे ही पड़ा है and the stress is building up because I don't know where to keep these clothes and basically कैसे categorize करूँ वो नहीं समझ आ रहा है. All of these things like are very old and most of them don't fit me anymore because I've gained so much weight in this past 1.5 years and still I'm waiting कि one day I'll lose weight and fit in all of these clothes. So let's see कैसे रखना है, but it's very difficult.
2,000 years later.
Hi guys, so I'm back after so many days. That day I left everything in between. I was so tired, but now I'm back after so many days. इतने दिन मुझे time नहीं लगा, I just ignored it. But yes, I'm going to continue organizing my wardrobe. So this is the current situation. That day I had organized this section completely, but इतने दिनों में ये और ये फिर से ख़राब हो गया है. So I will deal with this today, and of course this section needs deep cleaning. So I'm going to clean all of this and then quickly take you through. Finally, I am done, guys. I am so happy and relaxed and relieved and whatnot. But look at this, guys. This is all the mess that came out of my wardrobe. I need to throw all of this away, but let me just show you how this wardrobe looks like. So it might look messy to you guys, but trust me, it's organized for me. I know where exactly what is kept. Starting from left hand side, these two are my jackets, and here also we have some denim jackets in shrugs. Also we have skirts as well, 2 or 3 skirts which I wear on a casual daily basis. And over here are all the semi-formal and formal shirts which are completely useless from the past 2 years. And also we have some scarves. Coming down, these two piles are like casual daily wear tops, not at home but for my videos and if I'm going out. So these two piles are that. Over here are all the bottoms, all the jeans and pants and trousers, and this section is all the nightwear, basically all the PJs and t-shirts. And over here are some of the fancy tops which I can't even hang and also can't mix with this pile because these are like a little fancy. And these two pieces are of my sister's which needs to go away, but I've given them some space. And this is a coffee mug. I don't know what to do with this, but this is my everyday perfume from Bath and Body Works. It's a mist basically, so I have kept it here because I use it every day multiple times. And coming down, so this is the best I could do with this section. I think I need to get another section over here, maybe apply some rack or something. But anyways, the current situation is like this. I use this organizer which I got from DMart. It has all the stockings and socks and spaghettis. So choti cheezein, but I've kept it in this organizer which makes it look very clean. And behind are my almost everyday use bags for my shoots and for going out, the casual bags basically. And over here are the towels in the bathrobe. And the last section is my workout wear, my active wear, which I rarely use, but मैंने थोड़ा आगे रखा है, क्या पता है इसी को देख के I will start working out. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So this was my wardrobe. I know it's not that good looking and fancy like the other YouTubers have. Literally have a dedicated room for their clothes, shoes, bags and everything else. It's a dream obviously that hopefully would come true one day. But as of now, I'm really happy with the final result. I'm glad that I organized all of this. It was a long overdue, but finally I'm done with it. I'm really happy. Also, let me know in the comment section below if you have a better idea of how you organize your stuff. I would really appreciate that. And that is it for today's video. It was very different, very casual. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn the notification bells on so that you get notified each time I upload a video, and keep coming back for more videos.